Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I'm going to fix a really quick melon salad. I have a honeydew melon, I have a cantaloupe, and I have some black seedless grapes. So all we're going to do is that I'm going to wash a cup of grapes and have them ready. And we're going to cut up the cantaloupe. Couldn't make up my mind which one I wanted to cut up first. I didn't know how ripe this was. There we go. What we're going to do is we're going to get the seeds out of the middle. I didn't have a lot of choices when I went to the grocery store, which melon to get. I think they had 2 or 3 cantaloupes and they had 1 honeydew melon. So I got the only one they had of the honeydew and one of the 3 of the cantaloupe. This is a simple thing. All we're going to do is dice it up, put it in a bowl, stir it up, and people really like a lot of melons. Just going to cut it in the size of the pieces I want in my fruit salad. And you don't have to have a lot of ingredients in a fruit salad. Pick something that you really like. I always like cantaloupe. So all you do is slice it to the rind. Doesn't take long to get it all cut up. Put it in a bowl and let it chill. When the kids come in from outside and want something cold, give them something good for them. It's been 90 degrees down here today, so I just thought something refreshing. The weather is so funny down here. One day it's cold, and I guess it's about everywhere like this. The next day it's hot. Matter of fact, they're already saying that we're going to have 90-degree weather today and tomorrow. But next week we got another little cold snap coming. I really don't mind the cold snap as long as it don't get cold enough to freeze. Flowers are blooming. Trees are already budded out. Haven't had enough rain for my grass to really begin to grow. And since it's so dry down here, they've even got us on 2 days a week to be able to water your grass. And if you make it, you can go back and cut off a little bit more. I seem to have left a big hunk right there. You do this to your cantaloupe and your honeydew melon. I'm not putting any strawberries in there or anything else extra in this today. And all I'm going to do is cut it in pieces that will go in a dish. You do not need no real big hunks. That made a right much cantaloupe. So now let's get the honeydew. Ooh, this one's a little hard to cut. I don't know about this. This may not be ripe. And I know somebody's going to call and say oh, I thought you was going to cut your hand off. Get these seeds out of this one. And do it just like we did the cantaloupe. Just slice it. Now one thing, I know the skin on the honeydew is tougher than the cantaloupe. It's ripe. With it being the last one, I thought maybe it may not be good and ripe. Not quite as ripe as I like them. And And when you get through doing this, if you've got any lemon juice or lime juice, just put you a little bit over it, not much, and it'll give it a little twangy of a taste. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Hope y'all are having a good day today. This makes a whole lot. Like I say, a lot of people will add a lot of different stuff for a fruit salad. Then you have people that come over and they really just don't care for the mixture. And we do this the same way we did the cantaloupe. We're just going to cut it up in chunks. And if the chunks look too big to you, cut them smaller. And if you don't have one of these handy dandy things, I got mine from Bed Bath & Beyond, I think it was. Not sure. Either there or Kohl's one. Tom bought a lot of his stuff from Kohl's. It sure is a handy dandy thing to have though when you're trying to pick up something that is wet or slick. It just scoops it up so easy. It's a whole lot better than trying to get it up with a spoon. Around the House from Kay and Tom. Please subscribe. I have enjoyed a lot of the comments I've been getting. Okay, I have got my melon, the honeydew melon, cantaloupe cut up. I have put grapes in here. And I added a 1/4 cup of just lime juice, Key West lime juice. You can use any kind of lime juice you like. You can also put lemon juice in here. I didn't have any lemon juice, so I just used lime juice. It keeps it from turning brown, and it gives it a little sweet, they say it makes it sweeter. So I'm just going to stir this up. As I was saying, I just happen to like key lime juice. But you can use any kind of lime juice, lemon juice. You can actually take a lemon or lime and just cut it in half and squirt it over here. So let's just see. We're going to put some in a bowl. Let me show you what it looks like in a bowl. Looks very nice. And this is nothing in the world but cantaloupe, honeydew melon, and purple grapes with a 1/4 cup of lime juice. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe. Come back to see me. Give me your comments. And enjoy a cool, refreshing salad. So, have a good day. Bye.